Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, in the last video, we were able to level Professor Oak up to level 120, and what we did there was actually finishing all the missions, unlocking or getting the custom tectonics and custom great tectonics, and just unlocking his level cap, giving him some level up manuals. And now, time for the final part of this upgrading of Professor Oak, which is to exchange items. And from all the custom vouchers we got from the missions, we're going to level his sync move up to maximum. Here we go, guys.
Left in these old bones.
Level 3.
I've still got strength left in these old bones.
Level 4.
I've still got strength left in these old bones.
And maximum level, guys.
Left in these old bones.
And with that said, we are done. We are done. I'm not going to show you the sync grid anymore because you can do that on your own, and everyone has a different plan for their sync grid. I'm not going to increase his potential to maximum because that I'm saving these for other characters. So let's just check out his sync move level right now. Or sync move, where the heck are you? Sync move, pre-sync move. How do I even...
This world isn't...
How do I look at his sync move? There you go. Professor, why can I press the sync move? I forgot how to do it, guys. Forgot how to see his sync move. Is it in the decks? Let me just quickly... I don't know how to do it, guys. I forgot. I really forgot how to do it.
This world is in
Max level? Max level? Sync move. Oh, there you go, guys. There you go. 300 damage. Pokemon Professor Psychic. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe if you haven't.